In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Activecampaign. Activecampaign is a powerful tool for managing your email marketing, but as your list grows, there might be instances where you need to tidy up and delete contacts. Whether it's because they're no longer engaging, they've asked to be removed, or you're simply doing some list maintenance, deleting contacts is a straightforward process. Let's start by visiting the Activecampaign website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on it to initiate the login process. This is your first step towards managing your contacts. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Begin with your username, entering it into the designated field. Remember, your username is often the email address you used to sign up. Once you've got that typed in, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, you'll see a button labeled Login. This is your cue to proceed. However, the system now requires a bit more information to ensure it's really you. Therefore, you'll be asked to enter your email address again, followed by your password. This two-step verification process helps keep your account secure. After entering these details, it's time to move past the login screen by clicking Login once more. Now you're inside your Activecampaign dashboard, the control center where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, navigate to the Contacts section. This is where all your contacts are stored and managed. You might have hundreds or even thousands, but don't worry. The interface is user-friendly and designed to handle large lists with ease. To delete contacts, you need to select them. Look for the Select Contacts option. This allows you to choose one contact, multiple contacts, or even your entire list, depending on what you need to do. Be mindful that deleting contacts is permanent, so make sure you're selecting only those you're ready to remove from your list. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a Delete option. Clicking this moves you closer to removing those contacts, but Activecampaign incorporates a safeguard at this point. It asks for your confirmation to proceed because once deleted, this action can't be undone. You'll be prompted with an I understand button to confirm that you're aware of this. Clicking on I understand will finalize your choice, effectively removing the selected contacts from your list. It's a simple process, but it's designed with layers of confirmation to prevent accidental deletions. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double check which contacts you're selecting for deletion. If you're doing a major cleanup, consider segmenting contacts into those who haven't engaged in a long time versus those who might just need a re-engagement campaign. And remember, it's a good practice to keep your list healthy and engaged, so reviewing and cleaning up should be part of your regular email marketing strategy. To summarize, we went through the steps of logging into Activecampaign, navigating to the Contact section, selecting the contacts you wish to delete, and confirming your choice. The process, while straightforward, includes checks and confirmations to ensure that you're only deleting contacts you no longer need or want. Thanks for watching. Whether you're streamlining your list, focusing on engagement, or complying with requests to be removed, knowing how to manage your contacts effectively is key to maintaining a healthy email marketing strategy. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on making the most of your email marketing efforts.